today we have this HP&V 15-inch model, which when you press the power button doesn't turn on. And we connected to our bench power supply. So let me just show you what's happening there. So if we go on our bench power supply, we can see that it's pulling crazy amount of current without basically allowing the system to turn on. It still stays at 4 volts but 5 amps. So this immediately indicates that we have some kind of short circuit inside. Let's have a look inside. The battery. The customer already mentioned us that he took it apart and he noticed this weird smell of something burnt inside. So we should be looking for some kind of burn marks. Let's jump under the microscope and probably will be a bit more clearer what's going on over there. Okay. Let's go through it. So if you've got a burn smell, probably will be around the power input area. So the power jack comes over here. Yeah, looks like this component is a bit darkish than other ones. Let's have a look. Try to identify it. There you go. Alright, so this component is a diode. It's a protection diode, which usually protects from a reverse polarity. But this laptop hasn't been tampered with before, so we'll have to strip out the board and identify what's happening with this diode here. Okay, we got the board out. Let's start measuring. With diodes, usually we have one side which is connected to ground, most likely this side, here, and the other side should be connected to plus, and we have a short circuit on it. Our meter is not happy, so this diode definitely is not good. So we'll have to remove the heatsink to look what's going on underneath. Heatsink in front out of the way. Right, you can clearly see the heat signature which happened here. Although it's more prominent under the microscope. It came to a point when it melted this little plastic cover here. On the other side. So we have 2 MOSFETs here which are in the input circuitry. Right, they look happy. Let's remove the diode first and then we will judge for the rest. These things, when electronic and PCB is burnt like this, it has that distinctive odor to it. It's not really sticky. Right, so we have replaced the blown diode with a new one, which now we can see that it's not making any, so he's not having any short circuit. Let's see how I can measure it with only one hand, which is a bit hard. Gosh, I wish I have a third hand. Work with. Alright, we'll measure to ground then. So this is to ground. What we have over here is one side of the diode is ground and the other side is then we can see a reverse voltage of 2.8, which is what we should expect. We don't have any more short circuits. in this area. So we are good to go. Let's apply voltage and see if there's anything else wrong with this board. We just quickly connected it without any heatsink, just the bare bone, and let's provide current at 18 volts, so no more short circuit there, and let's try to turn it on to see if it's going to pull any current. So before, if you remember, we didn't ever got a light over here on the charger, and now it's turning on. Lovely. How much we pulling from our lovely power supply? There you go, 1 amp, which is pretty good turning on. Current, 2 amps. Yep, CPU is getting hot. Probably we have a turn on machine. Awesome. Let's assemble and test further. While it's open, we're also going to service the system. You can see the hinges, how they got really dusty. This is where we get all those hinge problems where it snaps the plastic and starts separating. Only way how we can prevent it is by servicing these machines on a regular basis. We already have a charging of the battery and 2 amps current coming up from the power supply, so we should be good to start up the machine. Usually after disconnecting the battery, it takes a bit longer for the HP bias to fire up. It has to do some additional checks. Let's wait for it to complete. There you go. And the system's firing up. Just type the user's name. Paste here. Example doesn't test, of course. Sorry about the noise. We have our trusty Daisy cleaning the office. You can have a robot and thousands of cables everywhere. It's really hard. Windows updates. We're almost there. Another update. Come on. Right, there you go. Operating system has loaded up. We're gonna do some additional tests on it, and if it passes all of the tests, then it will be good to go. Thank you guys for watching, and if you need the service and you're based in Adelaide, give me a shout. We're here to help and to keep these machines ending up in the landfill, because they laptops and absolutely deserves a second chance to live. It's unbelievable how a little chip like this could cause a whole machine to do not switch off. So make sure that you speak with an electronic specialist before you throw your laptop away if it doesn't turn on or charge, like this one. And say goodbye to Daisy, who is eagerly cleaning the office. Thank you guys for watching.